rush hour.
Fear not, Skylander. This particular gear golem is no threat due to a most extraordinary breakthrough. I've rebuilt this gear golem's attitude engine so he's not nearly as nasty. He's pretty much on our side, but I need a few more parts to finish the job. They should be somewhere in those crates. I do lose track of things sometimes. I should consider cleaning.
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
Yeah!
Let's ruffle some feathers.
Hocus Focus.
Oh, well done indeed. Let me just readjust these gears and, there.
Hocus Focus.
Skylanders of the Air element are stronger in this zone.
For Lou. I mean you.
Skylanders of the Tech element are stronger in this zone.
Flying the coop.
position! Target locked! Look alive, Skylander! This is happening! The next sheepshooter turret is protected by burning goo that tends to rise and fall without warning. Put on the sheep disguise poncho pronto and get moving! Soft pump going dark!
Sheep confirmed. Sheep confirmed. Sheep confirmed.
To the skies!
Intruder alert. Decontamination sequence commencing.
Ooh, shiny.
You need a water Skylander to...
Amp it up!
Unlock this gate.
Let's ruffle some feathers.
Skylanders of the water element.
I found this magic pool, Skylander, but Mr. Chompy is totally taking over. He wants to eat my scales, and I'm getting pretty tired here. You gotta beat him for me. I don't know how much longer I can keep this up. Seriously, beat Mr. Chompy. I can't keep running all day here.
Mr. Chompy.
Knocked for a loop.
Phew! You sure saved the day, Skylander. Now that I caught my breath, I feel tons better. Here, take this as a token of my gratitude.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Flying the coop. A curious place this is.